Have you ever wondered how projects come to life? From an idea to execution, the project cycle is the backbone of successful project management. In this video, we'll break down the project cycle into easily understandable stages. It all starts with a project idea. Ideas can arise from various sources in the market. For instance, a health ministry may propose a rural medical clinic. In the private sector, ideas may come from customer requests or internal sales discussions. The possibilities are endless and can be inspired by real-world needs. The first stage is the project idea stage. Here, we acknowledge the initial concept. It could be a health center, a microcredit scheme, or an extensive railway project. Each idea serves a specific purpose within its community. Next is the project identification stage. This stage solidifies the initial concept. Clear identification of the project is essential for further development. For example, a poverty alleviation idea must identify specific interventions. This ensures that our efforts are targeted and effective. After identification comes project evaluation. We need to assess both costs and benefits. This can be tricky, as future cash flows are hard to predict. In public projects, factors like employment generation may also feature into the evaluation. Balancing financial forecasting with social impact is crucial here. The fourth stage is project selection. Once we've evaluated potential projects, we must choose which ones to pursue. Limited resources mean tough decisions are necessary. Top management evaluates projects based on financial costs and expected community benefits. Picking projects that provide positive impacts is vital for long-term success. Finally, we reach the project execution stage. After a project is selected, it must be implemented. A project management team oversees this phase, ensuring everything runs smoothly. They manage the budget and ensure timely completion. Monitoring progress through regular reports keeps the project on track. In summary, understanding the project cycle is essential. It helps us visualize the entire journey from idea to execution. Each stage builds on the previous one and contributes to success. Are you ready to apply this knowledge in your next project? Dive into the project cycle and watch your ideas flourish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.